everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with a different type of haul. If you've been following some of my videos, you've know I've been making lots of autumn wreaths, and I placed an order at the artificial flower shop. I normally do go down to the shop that's in Hyde, and they also have a shop in Llandudno, but unfortunately I couldn't get there. And I thought, well, I'll make an order online because there's a few bits I wanted and a few bits I didn't know I wanted until I went on the website. And this is my haul. So I hope you have been keeping up with my wreath making videos, and if you are, you'll probably find this very interesting. I'm sorry about all the screaming and that. I'm guessing it's that time for the kiddie winkles to come out of school. So if you can hear that in the background, I do apologise. And as you can see, this is one heck of a box. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this to the side and then pull out individual things that I'd actually purchased. So first of all, I'd like to apologise for me being full of a cold. There's nothing much I could do about that, but I really wanted to share this video with you, this haul, in case any of you would like to purchase anything from there. And I will put the links down below, and they're not affiliated whatsoever. So the first thing I've grabbed out of the box are these candy cane picks, and you get 3 on each pick, and they are £1.50. so the way I use them, they won't be on the pick, I will take them off the pick, so they end up working out at 50p each. And then the next thing I got is this acorn pick, and I got 10 of these, mainly for these acorns, because I did buy some acorns off Amazon, which I shall get for you. I have painted some of these up ready to go on, and some I wanted to keep natural, but as you can see, they are quite a big difference. Height wise not so much, but width wise definitely, and a lot of these will be painted up just like these are, so they can go in with my colour scheme. And I did try to buy some more of those just on their own, but I couldn't find them, and I always use the leaves anyway, so the fact that you've got 6 acorns and quite a few leaves to go at is fantastic. So like I say, we've got 10 of those. It's a big bunch. So there's lots here to go at. So that's them ones. The next thing I picked up was these pumpkins, and they are really nice velvet pumpkin. I really loved and I've really utilised everything on this pick in my autumn wreaths. I took it all apart. Now these says £1.50, but these were actually in the sale at £1, I think they were. But yeah, they're just so nice, and I think I've got another one in there as well, 3 different colourways. Like I said, a bag and £1. And then the next thing we got is lots of these hornthorn berries. These are actually what I wanted to purchase. I did want them all in white, but they didn't have them in white, just because I'm painting a lot of mine up to go for Christmas wreaths rather than the autumnal wreaths now. So I've got quite a few of these. We've got this red coloured, then we've got the cream coloured, and we've got the black coloured ones. I did actually order some orange ones as well, but unfortunately they was out of stock, so they just sent me extra black ones, which is disappointing, but it is what it is. And I got quite a few of those, so I'll have to dig down now and get to the bottom of this box. And like I said, there was another one of these pumpkin picks as well, and they were just the 3 of those I purchased. The next thing I got is some of these flowers. I probably will paint up the centre of the flowers in gold or something, but I don't think I will actually paint the actual flower themselves as yet. But yeah, they're really pretty, and I think they was £1. Now these 2 picks was actually free. I didn't order these, and I wouldn't have actually given this out, because as you can see here, it's all rusted and that, so I feel like this will just go to the bin, and maybe able to salvage a couple of the bells and stuff, and maybe some of the berries out of it, but they were free, so I can't really complain. Then we've got some of these little mini poinsettias, and these are all in gold, and I got quite a few of these as well. I think I got 4 of these. Yeah, it's got 4 of those. Or was it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. I got these, and these are really nice little fillers inside the wreaths, and I really wish I could have got some silver ones of those, but unfortunately they didn't have any silver ones. I do apologise if you can hear my washing machine. There's lots of background noise going on today, but I just got to get into this video wherever I can. And then I picked up 3 of these eucalyptus leaves, and you get quite a lot of these. These will all be cut down so they can be poking out, and it saves me painting them up. So I've got some in silver. I also got some in this gold, bronzy, coppery colour. It's a really nice colour actually. So there's plenty there to go at. These were on offer, I think it was £2. I didn't quite know. Actually, it might have been £1 because it should have been £1.75. Yeah, that's right, £1 each. I don't know if I'll be able to use these in my Christmas wreaths. Maybe I could, but I didn't really know what they was. I just got them because they were £1 and I can use the leaves and everything anyway. So yeah, that was another bargain. And then we got some more little gold flowers, which are very similar to these ones, but they are actually different. They're slightly different colours and stuff like that. And I think I would have actually bought more of these if I'd have seen them in person, just because of how cute they actually are. And then we got some robin picks, which I thought was just really cute. I've been using lots of robins and birds and owls and stuff in all of my wreaths, so I thought, well, we'll give these a try. I can't remember how much they were, unfortunately, but none of this was expensive, so it is a really cheap place to go. Then we got lots of these polystyrene balls. I got 5 packs in the white. I got 1 pack of red, and the reason I got mainly white is because I paint these up. See if I can get some to show you. I painted these up. These was originally white or possibly a different colour, but I painted them all up and glitter them all up to match in with the aesthetic of whatever wreath I'm doing. So these really make the wreath, I feel. And then we got 3 bags of the silver berries, which I think are really cute. And we got 4 bags of these like heathers, and again I paint these up. Let me see if I can grab one. There we go. So this has all been painted up. This started off like this and I've painted them all up. Yes, you lose that fluffiness, but at the same time it matches in with my aesthetics, and that's the whole point of the wreaths that I make. Right, we're right near the end now. So the next thing we got is loads of these berries. So each one looks like this individually. You get about, how many do you get actually? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like berry picks, and again these all get chopped right down. And I'll paint some of them up, some of them I will actually leave white, some I'll glitter up white. But yeah, they really come in handy. I've used them quite a lot, and the fact that when I went to the store and they didn't actually have white last time, I definitely had to get some of the white because it would save me having to gesso them up 3 times to get that base of the white first. I will need gessoing just so it's got something to adhere to, and yes, you do lose that nice shine, but you're going to put glitter and stuff on them anyway. So that was that, and then we're on our last thing now, and that is these. Now these are massive. So I actually don't know what I'm going to do with these, because I can cut them down, yes, but I'm never going to get it to, I can get that nice point on that one, but then it leaves all that wasted, and so I don't quite know how I'm going to work that into the wreaths. I didn't realise they was this big. Had I realised they was this big, I definitely wouldn't have purchased them, but I bought them now and I will have to just make it work for me. But again, these should have been £3 and there was only £1, so I can't really grumble. So that is the actual haul. But because I've been going on saying about how I've painted things up and stuff like that, I just want to give you a little feel in case you haven't actually managed to see any of my wreath videos that I have actually done. This is one of the wreaths that I've done. You can see these little tiny berries here that I've coloured up. I've painted these flowers, I've painted these berries. Here's another one of those things I've painted up, the heather type things. I've done little apples down here. I don't know what else I've done in here actually. Oh, some little mini acorns. So if you're finding things that isn't actually in the aesthetics you want, you can feel like go and paint some stuff yourself so that it matches in. I'll show you one more and then I'll say my goodbyes. Yeah, so this is another one that I've done. This one did take a lot of painting because this colourway isn't really, you can find a lot for Christmas with this. And it was just because I found these baubles in the range and I thought, well, this must be a new colour scheme way of coming for Christmas, and I thought it'd be a challenge to do one, and I feel like it's turned out really well. But as you can see here, I've painted up this greens, these ones, the mushrooms, these are the horn form things, you know, these berries that I showed you that I got. That's one of those painted up. We've got lots of berries. I didn't paint the acorns because they fit this aesthetic for this. I've just painted some like bits of orange stuff and that, and then we've got an orange apple. There's lots of mini pine cones and stuff. Yeah, so there's been lots on here that's been painted, and a lot of this stuff was actually purchased from the artificial flower shop. Some bits have not been, like these birds, I glittered these up. These were actually from the from Lidl actually. So yeah, there's just lots and lots of nice stuff going on, and I feel like it's more fun and creative to buy things and change them, adapt them for what you want. And I really love this one, and I feel like you could actually leave this up for autumn and Christmas, because although it's got the baubles on it, it does say autumn as well, so it kind of goes for both. But yeah, so that is my haul. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I have to say I'm not too sure how many more videos I'll get up this year, because I have got a lot going on in the next 2 months, so it may be next year now by the time I next post, unfortunately. But of course I will do some if I can, but please just bear with me, and hopefully I shall see you in the new year. So take care, bye.